Sarah, what are you eating? Don't tell me. Are you eating crackers?
Oh.
Perhaps some crispy cement? What is that?
It's baguette.
Do a little open mouth crunch for us.
No. It's only from
Like a week ago.
January 11th. It's only the 14th.
The 15th, Sarah. Almost the 16th. Any more? No.
Do you want some?
Maybe.
Here, you can have some.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
Watch
my
it.
canines aren't feeling particularly strong tonight.
Did you hear that?
Nope.
Solid gold.
I think you should probably do it again.
What else can I bang on?
Look at the little tip of it. You're spewing crumbs everywhere.
Oh no.
Okay, I want a snack too, so I'm gonna have to let you go.
Bye.